Good day, everyone. So in this video, I'm going to be basically going over a outbound LinkedIn sequence that I'm doing. I'm using automation, leveraging automation to get as many scheduled phone calls as possible. This kind of technique can be used for B2B SaaS companies or just B2B consultants, this kind of stuff if you're B2B. So I'm leveraging a couple of different tools, Sales Navigator, which I will link to down below as well, so you can sign up to it. I think Sales Navigator is really important with the search functions. I'll make some videos in the near future about Sales Navigator. The next one is Duck Soup. I have an affiliate link in the description below, so you can check that out. But basically, as most of you know, I've been really pro cold email versus LinkedIn outbound. I found LinkedIn outbound is so saturated with so much shitty messages going out to people that people end up just ignoring the messages. But I've actually started a new, so what I found worked on cold email really well is using video and basically going out and asking permission. Can I send you a video? Blah, 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 blah. And so at the moment, I'm trying a outbound campaign on LinkedIn because I want to revisit LinkedIn. I haven't really done it for quite a long time. I've been really big on cold email. I have loads of videos on cold email. You can check it out on my channel. Please subscribe. I'm going to be bringing out videos like this all the time. And I'm sorry I've been away. I went to Tanzania. I've done a lot of different things. I've been away and building out a new company called b2bhero.co where I link elite level freelancers, marketing freelancers with B2B software companies, B2B companies. So you can check that out, b2bhero.co. But jumping into the video. So here's what I'm doing. I'm leveraging Sales Navigator in its search. So I have basically saved searches here. And I've got one which is founders in the UK, the second degree, tech, and the one thing I'm doing is post in the last 30 days. So for example, this one here, which is really cool. And this is, I think, important. And the reason why this campaign is actually working really well is because they are active on LinkedIn. This is kind of like a proxy to say they're active on LinkedIn to a certain degree. And I'm doing, so this is my search functions and it's bringing up these really interesting people that I've then basically used Duck Soup, which you can, is really cool. You go over here and it just runs. You have a little message and it runs these little messages to people. Here's the actual platform. And it runs like a drip campaign to people. And here are some of my very early stage results for you to check out. But it seems to be working. I've only just launched it. I've only sent 290 messages. And so far, my whole strategy around this is to say, hey, could I send you a video? So actually, I'll just show it to you. So here we go. So it's basically, where is it? So here we go. Hey, Joanna. So this is all done automatically, obviously on a drip. Hey, Joanna, I run hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of budget a month of LinkedIn ads for B2B tech clients as a freelancer. Could I get your permission to send you a personalized Loom video detailing a current client and the results of LinkedIn ads, which is similar to insert company? And then so that's the message. And so far I've had 17 people, which is 5.86%. I think that's really good. I would roughly aim for normal reply, I would aim for like 20%. Before reply to say, hey, I'm really interested, send me a video, I would say that should be between 2 to 6%. So that's on the higher end of what I'm expecting. So I'm happy with that. So I've had 17 people go, yep, send it to me. And from that, I've actually had 2 meetings booked already, which is from video to meeting book. That's 11%. So 11% of these people are actually booking a meeting. So 2%, 2 people out of the 290 have actually booked in a meeting. So from message to meeting, it's about 0.7%, which is okay. I think it should be more at like 1%. But, I'm really happy with this kind of, because it's completely on autopilot. Well, not completely. I basically then, from the people who have sent me from the people who have sent me a yes, I'm interested, they go into this sheet, and you can also Zapier that. At the moment, I've still got it on manual. But what happens after that is then I send them a Loom video. So I've got this folder in my Loom where I'm literally just copy pasting the same video. So I'm trying to make it feel like it's personal. So I'm copy pasting it. Each time a new person comes in and says that, I only get a few a day. So it's like takes me maybe 10 minutes a day. I copy paste this in Loom. Also, I'll leave a link to Loom down below. but you just literally duplicate. Then I just put the person's name there so it feels a bit more personal. And then at that point, the video is exactly the same. I go over like a case study. I go over like why LinkedIn ads are awesome, and I go over some current clients where I'm spending loads of money and I'm having huge success so people can see that. And then from there, I'm saying, please book in my calendar. And that goes in the LinkedIn message as well. And that's it. It's really simple. And apart from that, it seems like it's really having success. I'm going to actually be now A/B testing, because this channel is all about A/B testing. I'm going to be A/B testing tons of different things around LinkedIn. I want to be testing out different messaging. I have a person has reached out to me recently, which I'm going to be testing a tool for them all about automating the video process. So I'll be testing that. But I'm really curious to see if we can get some really awesome results from LinkedIn outbound, because we know we can do that with cold email. I've got loads of videos about cold email about it, but I really want that to see if we can do it with automation on LinkedIn, whether or not we can crack that and make that work really well and get plenty of really high quality meetings using Sales Navigator and Duck Soup. All links in the description below. Apart from that, hope you're having a great day, and please subscribe, and see you guys very soon.